Sports Minister Shakliar Wardri on Tuesday informed that an amount of rupees 5 crores and 50 lakhs was sanctioned for implementation of Chief Minister Youth Development Scheme during 2023-2024. He informed that rupees 30 lakh is being allocated to the Deputy Commissioner of Shillong and Tura, respectively, while rupees 17 lakh each for the remaining 10 districts. Congress legislator from Mauhati, Charles Marngar, asked if the government has any intention to review the allocation of funds under the scheme as per constituency-wise. The minister said that allocation of fund is based on the number of organizations or clubs registered with the Deputy Commissioner and not constituency-wise.
50 lakhs only was sanctioned for implementation of Chief Minister's Youth Development Scheme during the year 2023-24.
May I know from the Honourable Minister in charge, Sports and Youth Affairs, how much fund allocated to each district?
Mr. Speaker, sir. Sir, the fund allocated to each district is to the DC of Shillong and Tura, so it's 30 lakhs. And the remaining districts, sir, I think it's about 17 lakhs, sir.
The opposition in the Assembly